We're going to be talking about the Fluke 810 viewer software and transferring data from the 810 vibration tester to the PC viewer software. We have a transfer button up here we can click on. It'll bring in the data, and it's divided into, we have a section here where you can put in a start date and a stop end date to select the information you want to view. And we also have some filters over here for select only ones that have been transferred already or select the ones that are not transferred. So I'm going to say select all and hit the filter button. And now we see all our choices here. We click on one, we import it, and it says machine data successfully imported. Say OK. And now I can go to my view diagnosis window and look at the data. So here's a typical test, and you see over here on the left side the name of the test, the different locations, and in the middle of the screen we have the diagnosis and the severity scales, and we can export that to a PDF or other data files. We can go over here and click on the minus sign and collapse that, or we can click on it and expand it, and we can look at a particular location, 1 and 2, and we can look at the spectra data for each one of them by clicking on spectra. We can see the spectra data for each location where the sensor was making its measurements. And that's how we transfer machine data from the tester to the software and view the diagnosis on our PC.